Okay, 57 is word problem. This is like the recent problem says, as an experienced bricklayer constructs a small wall in 3 hours. The apprentice completes the job in 7 hours. Find how long it will take them to work together. So remember, we built the table. So we have the experienced, we have the apprentice, and then we have together. So this is their total time. Well, the experienced does it in 3. The apprentice does it in 7, and together we don't know. So in 1 hour, the experience will be 1/3 the way done. The apprentice will be 1/7 the way done, and together will be an unknown amount of way done. So this plus this equals our unknown. So 1/3 plus 1/7 equals 1 over x. Well, 3 and 7 can turn into 21. And we don't forget about the x. So this can be, to turn this into 21x, it's going to be times 21 times 21. And that equals 21x. This is going to be times 3x times 3x, and that equals 21x. And times 7x times 7x, and that equals 21x. And now we have 1 times 7x is 7x, plus 1 times 3x is 3x, equals 1 times 21 is 21, because we canceled our denominator. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10x equals 21, divide by 10, and I get x equals 2.1. Well, I know that that's 2 hours, and that 0.1 times 60, take your decimal times 60, and 6 minutes. So 2 hours and 6 minutes. Okay, Mary has saved $17.50 in 3 weeks. At this rate, how much will she save in 15 weeks? So we're going to have money over weeks. We're going to use proportions. So $17.50 in 3 weeks equals how much in 15 weeks? 3 times x is 3x. 15 times $17.50 is 262.5. Divide by 3, and I get x equals 87.5. So my answer is $87.50. Okay, 59 says a semi-truck traveling 300 miles through the flat land is the same amount of time that it travels 180 miles through the mountains. So flat land, it does 300 distance, and miles, 180 miles in the mountains. It says the time is the same, but we don't know the time, and the rate of the truck is 20 miles per hour slower in the mountains. Well, I don't know how fast he went in the flatland, so x minus 20. Well, remember, we know distance equals rate times time, and we know time equals distance over rate, so 300 over x, 180 over x minus 20, and we know the times are equal, so 300 over x equals 180 over x minus 20, and now we cross multiply and solve. 180x equals 300 times x, and 300 times negative 20, and that equals negative 6,000. So minus 300x minus 300x, and that leaves me with 120, negative 120. Divide by negative 120, divide by negative 120, I get x equals 50. So go back and read it. It says find the rate in the flatland and the mountain. So flatland is x, so 50 miles per hour. The mountains is 20 miles per hour slower than that, so 50 minus 20 is 30.